Let's unbox the Sapphire Pulse AMD Radeon RX 9070 graphics card. The box is quite compact. This is due to the fact that this card is not a huge one at all. It's a two-fan design. There is a Sapphire seal on both sides. I've cut this side already so that we can dig into the unboxing quicker. Let's open it up. There we go. The packaging is quite simple, just a cardboard box. But the GPU is well protected inside. There's some padding and more padding around the GPU to protect it from any impacts during transportation. What is this? Quick installation guide. There are no accessories with this graphics card, but that is to be expected because this is the MSRP model, the cheapest one available. The bag is not sealed, so it just opens up freely like this. There's a lot of protective film on this GPU. Take a look at this beauty. I love Sapphire GPUs. They look really nice. Even the MSRP models look good. There's some pull tabs here. Let's remove the protective film. Nice. There's more protection on the logos over here. There's nothing else to peel. Let's take a closer look at the design. It is quite a good looking GPU for what it is. There's some red accents. Nice metal backplate. A large cutout for improved cooling. And plastic shroud. The PCB is quite compact. It's just right there. That's where it ends. And we're getting power through two 8-pin connectors. Nice. Old school, reliable. That's good to see. In terms of thickness, it is actually about 2.5 slots. The Pulse features two 100mm fans, and it is roughly 280mm long, so this should be a good size for pretty much any PC case, even the compact ones. Let's see about the height. 135. Okay, that's good. This looks like a pretty standard heatsink, nothing special. I count 4 heat pipes, and the memory is connected and actively cooled by the heat plate over here. So that's good to see. And some of the power delivery components are also cooled actively. There is a thermal pad on those VRMs. For display connectivity, we get, I think, 2 HDMI. Yes, 2 HDMI, the latest version, and 2 DisplayPort 2.1, also the latest and greatest version for display connectivity. I can't see a bias switch anywhere on this GPU, which means that it comes with just one bias. No backups, no silent mode, just the standard bias. This graphics card doesn't have any LED RGB lights. This is just paint, and paint on this side. It's quite tasteful, I think. Radeon, Sapphire, looks good. Here's what the Sapphire Pulse RX 9070 looks like as part of a PC build. Pretty nice, if I may say so myself. Take a look at it. No RGB, beautiful. By the way, if you want to see how this GPU performs at various resolutions using various graphics settings as well as FSR 4, then check it out on my main channel. I'll link it in the description below. That's where I test all my GPUs. Yeah, have a look there if you want to know more about the performance. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the Sapphire Pulse RX 9070? And if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to reward my work with a like, and subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.